Is that duality? Is that duality, or is that just a construct?
Nah, duality. And is this are we live? Is this an intellectual conversation, or this is a comedy show?
It's,
or
you know, I'm doing the best I can. I'm Robert Downey Jr., number one. And so why are you not doing Mr. Pregnant anymore? And what was the evolution of this character, if it was a character?
Mm-hmm. Well, Mr. Pregnant was more like an extension of myself, kind of like my alter ego. You know, like you had Superman, and you had Clark Kent, and Superman, or back in the 70s, Christopher Reeve. But Christopher Reeve was the alter ego, which is one of the biggest irony in superhero movies, where we assume that Superman was the alter ego, but the alter ego was Christopher Reeve, right? Because he was born Superman, right? So people have that sort of ironic misconception that I have evolved from Mr. Pregnant, when it's the complete contrast of that. Mr. Pregnant was nothing more than an extension of myself.
Is that duality? Is that duality, or is that just a construct?
Nah, duality. And are we live? Is this an intellectual conversation, or this is a comedy show?
It's, I'm doing the best I can. I'm Robert Downey Jr., number one. Is this your workout routine, or you're just, well, okay, we didn't expect that. Is this your workout routine, or is this how you meet the opposite sex? Okay. And then you're gone.
See this? Yo! You see that? You see that?
No, I can't see it. See what? Oh, you're talking about the bulging muscle coming out of your jacket.
Absolutely, absolutely. Look at your boy.
You're looking good, boy.
Rich, look
no, you really are. You're looking really good. You're looking thinner too, I think, or is that the layering of the outfit?
You freaking Jeff. You wanna see this? You wanna see freaking this? Yo, you wanna see this? You wanna? Absolutely.
Listen, I'm gonna need you to speak louder if you can, because I'm not hearing you as loud as you could be, and I don't want all of your intelligent words and your wisdom to fall on the ground and be left on the ground and kicked on the ground and again left on the ground. So what do we got now?
I'm setting my camera. I'm setting this up.
Yeah, now I can hear you a little thicker. So let's just get started here. We always want to start at the beginning, because I just looked your bio up and it said, and I quote, known for being Mr. Pregnant. And seriously, and then you're gone. There is